My name is Virginia Mamuaya and I'm from 2 Marketing Management 2. Now, I will giving a speech about moral education. Good morning everyone. Praise the Lord of the world who has given all the abundance of grace and blessing to all of us so that we can still enjoy the fresh air and be able to gather together in a precious family atmosphere today. On this occasion, allow me to give a short speech about the importance of moral education in our lives as a society full of courtesy and ethics. I give this short speech especially to myself and to my beloved friends and lecturer. Dear lecturer and friends, a nation will be weak when its people cannot show moral in behavior. Therefore, it is very important for us to always maintain our morality from bad influences that can damage the values of wisdom that we have lived now. Nowadays, human life is made easier. All the existing facilities spoil us all. Technological advances are making it easier for us to carry out various activities. We should not be easily swayed and then abuse the conveniences that we can. We must use it for positive goals. Dear lecturer and friends, it is a big responsibility for parents to always monitor our children to avoid various potential bad influences that can damage their moral. Parents must always give advice that educates a child. This is very important as a foundation to fortify children from something that can lead to bad behaviors. You do this by teaching them religious education from an early age, providing information that makes them eager to want to learn, inviting them to a place that is full of moral and character education. Not only that, we also have to be willing to set aside time to hear the children's outpouring, their complaints, and finally can provide a new perspective to see a problem and find a solution. Dear lecturer and friends, how important is the meaning of a moral? The Indonesian nation will not be able to sustain the solid pillar of diversity when the polite and friendly Eastern culture is lost from daily life. Therefore, let us continue to uphold moral values, social ethics, mutual cooperation character, nuances of tolerance, and respect for differences. Starting from us as a parents, then we teach our children so that this plural nation will always avoid the possibilities that we don't want. It can be said that moral education is a pillar of this nation. The better the moral of the people, the nation will become stronger and stronger. May we remain in the protection of grace by God, the most gracious and the most merciful. That's all that I can say. Hopefully it will benefit us all, and if there is a word that is less pleasing, I apologize profusely. Thank you.